Hello everybody and welcome back to a new Slime Rancher video. As you can see, it is now day 4. There was a recording before this, but the audio files had issues and I could not save the video. So let's go around and just see what we didn't do too much. We got a farm up and going, fully upgraded. We fully upgraded our area over there too. Let's go harvest all these. That worked out perfectly. Yep, we completed our first order yesterday, which was for 5 rock slime, 10 phosphorus slime, and 5 tabby plorts. 3 tabby plorts. That's what it was. Okay, this is feeding too much. Grab all these out. Out of my way. Out of my way. Throw that. Oh, is that the music? Yeah. Help keep them calm. Nice. We do have some fruit, so how about... Oh, we don't have any money to start a fruit farm. Okay. You don't need those guys right now. Any fruit? Nope. No fruit at all. There are some carrots here. Oh, we don't need carrots. That's about all that we did yesterday. Was we did the first order and first order, and we got a farm and upgraded the slime all the way. There's that. We also did a little more exploring that didn't lead us much of anywhere new, sadly. Borrow you. Come on. No? Okay. I don't think it wants to. I believe it's this way. And over this. Why, hello there. Ooh. Feed you. Sorry about that. It's too misty. I don't think you have too much farther to go. You could, though. I could be mistaken. What is that? Oh, just an ornament. Huh. It's kind of cool. Excuse me. Ow. I heard that was quite mean, actually. Oh, I'm sorry. No! I wanted the chickens. Oh. Stay away from them. They're mine! I will save you for now. There we go. They're safe for the current moment, but not for much longer. Ow. Perfect. I'll just borrow that. Okay. Hello there, buddy. Yeah, those have to do twice as much as the normal ones would. I didn't even check my energy there. Kind of scared myself. Take care. Oh, whoops. Take care. Boom. Okay, I was kind of hoping that as I did that it would release new ones. Okay. Okay, there we go. We got more energy. Yep. And one fell swoop. There we go. So we need more fruit. More fruit and more chicken. Ooh, yes. Flirt, where'd it go? Oh, it's gone. Never to be seen again. I'm just gonna go this way. Chicken? Get out, key. That was probably not a good direction to throw him. What did you eat? I don't even know what you ate. I hope you guys don't mind. I'm just gonna head on over here. Ooh, another ornament. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Just ow! Ow! It hurts. Yeah, I'm gonna head up here. Don't mind me. That hurt. You guys hurt my feelings. Not really. Okay, let's go. You're all gone? I don't think that there's any more fruit over there. Let's quickly go ahead and feed this guy these, and then we'll... Nope, okay. I was really hoping that would be him. Oh, I kind of need stamina to do that. Stamina, symbol. There we go. I did not want to have to wrap all the way around again. That is a lot of fruit. Maybe this will do it. Will this tie you over? I'm going to hope so. Why, hello there. Take it all! Okay, I didn't actually mean take it all. You look like you're close, though. I mean, that or you're gonna break through the ceiling. One of those two. Boing. I'm thinking maybe 10 more will do it. Around 10. Maybe 20. I hope it's not 20. It could be 20 though. Oh, there's fruit over here. Three. I'm gonna count that as 6. So we still need more. Decor and decor. We can just decorate this entire tunnel. When we get enough to, that is. Okay, we need more fruit. There is... Ah! Thank you. And then down here as well. Ugh. Oh, get away from that. I was looking for that. Well, that was worth it. In the long run. That it was. I believe that there is some fruit back here as well. Could just be me hoping. Ah, there is. That is 10. Okay. Let's go up here. Just see if there's any more fruit. There is indeed. None over there. This should be it. We should be able to make them pop. Will they pop? I hope so. And just to be sure, let's go ahead and grab the fruit from over here. Yeah, okay, he's popping. Gonna burst for a meeting. Okay. There's a lot of pink quartz. Oh, it was okay. Let me shoot that over there. We have another key. And yeah, you don't get to make a port. You can have fun. Go on over there. You. I'm gonna just take you for safekeeping. Don't really need all of these. You're gonna be a happy camper. I want to plant Q-berry though. Get out of here. Although the question arises, should I get a stony hen? If I quickly grab a stony hen, then I can start, because we already have a farm, we don't really need a fruit farm. But we do need a chicken farm. And I want to have some stony hens, not just regular hens. Well, let's go get a stony hen. I'm gonna hope that wasn't the one I was looking for. Okay, at least there was that one. Okay, we have one stony hen and 2 roostros. This'll work. Okay, you pop. Good. Hopefully we have a good amount of ports at home as well. I mean, we definitely had enough to feed them. That does not seem too nice over there. Ah, yeah, we have a good amount. Let's go ahead and sell these 2 plorts. Get a coop. High walls. Okay. Perfect. Just for me. Yeah. Buy and buy. Even better. Let's see here. We have some mail. We had this one yesterday, inviting us to the range exchange. If you want to read this, you can go ahead and pause this here. There you go. Let's see here. My pet cactus. Hi, Bea. I bought a cactus for you, sort of. When I came back home, it was one of those things left in your shop. I was a lonely little guy, so I decided to adopt it. You know, I kill every plant I touch, but I promise you this one will last. I mean, if I can't keep a cactus alive, then clearly something's wrong. Something is really wrong. When I look at him, I think of you out there on the range, doing your thing. Hope you're okay, Casey. Thank you, Casey. Victor Humphreys. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Victor Humphreys, professional slime rancher, slime scientist, and amateur musician. My understanding is that Miss West has already informed you about how the range exchange works, so I will spare you any further education. Instead, I'll illuminate you on what you can expect from my own requests. As a slime scientist, rancher, slash rancher, I have a tremendous interest in the liqueform legion that we share this vast range with. The slimes that we should, slimes. My studies often keep me from venturing out on the range daily, and when I find myself short of a particular species, I use the range exchange to fill that gap. Don't worry though, I will reimburse you handsomely for your efforts. Good luck on your new venture. I look forward to seeing life breathed once again into the former Twiggler's Ranch. Is that the ranch I have? Sincerely, Victor Humphreys. P.S. I once lost my favorite fiddle while fleeing a feral boom slime. Its value is only sentimental, but should you find it, I'd very much love to be able to play it again. Feral boom slime. I don't know, we haven't seen any feral boom slimes just yet. Five rock, 5 tabby. Sell these quickly. The phosphorus slime won't survive in one of those, so let's get high walls and let's quickly transfer these guys. Ow. And I don't really have to worry about you guys eating those, so I'll just leave those there. So okay, so we need. Okay, so 4 Gordo, 3 tabby. I don't know. Okay, so we have 5 minutes, I believe it said, to do this. Excuse me. I'll pick you guys up. You do not need a chickadoo. Ooh. I do not have enough for you to get another one. Okay, let's go. Oh, wait. Yeah, okay, I didn't see any rock slime there. I'm just gonna throw those over there for now. These are what 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 plorts. Don't be. You get out of here. You. And I don't know where it is now. Okay. 4, 5, just in case. Hopefully we can find 2 more rock. Fly away. Careful there. Oh wait, right there's where we normally find more rock. I'm gonna hope that he only needs 3 rock slime. Did I forget, can I find rock slime over here? Does not appear so. I'd hate to go all the way back and just realize that I do need... Wait. There is an area I haven't gone just yet. Hopefully I can get there and back in time. Let's keep going. Keep a move on it. Don't slow down. Keep it going. Go on. Go, go, go. Move, move, move. See one? I see two. That was not good. There's you. There's another. Okay, let's go. We can move these back to the paths, to the branch. Oh yeah, we got those. I don't think that... Did we get those in this video? I don't remember. We may have gotten those wildflowers last... No. We got them this one. I don't know. I don't remember. By the last video, I'm not referring to the last one you guys see. I'm referring to the one that was lost. Go ahead and put you over here. Let's grab some of these here. Perfect. Aeronet, Lecter, auto feeder. Make that slow. There. Grab these beats. You are already on slow, so are you. Beautiful. One in there, and I didn't see you up there. One there. Okay. That's nice. We also got one of the range exchanges done. Oh, we were busy. We got the range exchange. We finished up the phosphor slime. The big phosphor slime. And we got a second corral set up. I think we also got the chicken coop set up. We got gold plorts. We've just been on a roll. So we need to keep an eye out for that fiddle. When he was gleam from big boom slimes. And now, we also have a key that can unlock that door, but we're not going to actually do that just yet. Haha. Tricky. Ow! That was painful. That hurt. I'm not sure why I'm gathering these carrots up. If anything, I need to be gathering chickens. Let's actually go ahead and get another stony hat. That's what it was. Oh, you know, I could have used that to feed these guys up here, but where's the fun in that? Oh, you guys already fed. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm liking the look of that. Another one of you. Let's go ahead and feed you. Although, you know, one thing we could do is we could actually use the key over here. On that door. That'd probably be the better place to use it as well. Although I don't think that the boom slimes are over there. I think that they're through that door. Let's see here. This is the ranch. No, this here's the ranch. Yeah, I think that the boom slimes are over here, which is that pathway. This here's the cave, this is the research lab, and this is the back area with a dock. This is that area that we can see right there, which we unlocked by going through here. This is where the pink Gordo slime was. There's the big tabby slime, and there's another big tabby one. This is where we currently are. But I don't think we should use that on there just yet. You know, we don't need another. We already have 2 roosters. We don't need a 3rd one just yet. Grab a Q-berry so we can start up a Q-berry farm. Yeah, we don't need another one of those just yet. Oh, whoops. I missed. There you go. I'll feed you 2 of those, and I'll keep 2 of the stony hens for myself. I know I missed one tabby flirt, but I'm not going to turn around just for that single one. So yeah, let's make a Q-berry farm. So that we can feed, I believe, wait, no, the phosphorus slime, it's the mango, right? Oh no, it is Q-berry. Maybe it's the honeys that we're having a favorite of the mango. Which one had the mango? I may be getting mango confused with another word. With another one. I don't know. I'm not certain. We can build a garden here for now. It's not gonna last, but yeah. We'll move it at some point. Okay, let's go ahead and throw these in the feeder. You guys look content, that's good. What's the star mail we have now? My name is Agan Ortiz. I'm a slime rancher much like yourself, but I mostly fancy myself as a farmer. When I came to the Far Far Ranch, I grew fruits and veggies, the way we used to back on Earth, by getting down in the soil and getting your hands dirty. Did you know that carrots provide your... Did you know... Oh, carrots improve your night vision. As I said, it didn't sound right the first way. Yeah, seriously, they do. I don't see why all ranchers aren't just gobbling them down every chance they get. Being lost out on the range at night can be so dangerous. Well, don't let me ramble on, you hear? We'll be in touch via the ranch exchange. I tend to only raise slimes that eat fruits and veggies, so expect those kinds of requests from me. Looking forward to doing business with you. P.S. Ever heard of a gilded ginger? It's a mythical veggie that is said to be the favorite food of the equally mythical gold slime. That's good to know. But some say that neither of them really exist. Well, I know that the gold slime does exist, as I've had a few golden plorts from it. Well, that is where I'm going to end today's video. If you did enjoy, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It all does mean a lot to me and helps out the channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed. Bye-bye.